Ain't gon' drip. Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? And I spent it 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So right now we're doing a wiring of the subs. So right now I got the wires. So it goes from 0 gauge to 2.4 gauges. I'm running I'm running 2 amps in here. So right now I'm running the RCA back. I remember both my antennas work, so both of them are wired. Both of them work. I get real good FM transmissions. So I'm running this on the opposite side because I know they're on the other side. Yeah. So my antenna wires on the other side. So I'm running this RCA back on this side. I'm running my power. You never run your RCAs and your power on the same side. You start getting this the same frequency. So I'm running this back right now. Hopefully I have enough. If not, let's get a little adapter and bring it back. So that's what I'm doing right now. Thought I'd give y'all a little update on what's going on. Hopefully I have it fully wired. I should have fully wired. Ain't really nothing in here. The carpet's already up, so might as well do it now so I don't gotta worry about it later, right? So I'm gonna knock this out real quick and we'll jump back at it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So homie Medina just came through. Hippity. Some of you know, sound system was hooked up. Had to measure everything out. That's all squared away now. So right now I gotta clean up the trunk, but got this side cut out. Both sides are cut. So all I have to do is my measurements on the pieces right here. So measure them out. Then I can start doing my start tying in my metal. I need to buy some more 2x2 tubing. So once I get that, I can start doing my artwork in here. My bread and butter time to shine. Favorite part is the welding. Always my favorite part. So we got. So right now I'm gonna clean up the trunk, get everything set up. What's up, beautiful people? So right now we're gonna start smoking these in. So like I said, I gapped them out with my, oh, there it is. Those right there. So that square tube and that's there, and then that piece of wood. So I got all of them in. Always make sure you grind, sand it, however you gotta do it. I use my little sanding disc on my air grinder. So all those in. So tap each corner and then try to run a bead. I'm welding from the inside, so we'll bead around XYZ. So go and start putting these in. So here we go. So got that taken care of in there. Really can't get a light in there. Phone about to die. So that's all penetrated and everything. Same thing with this side. I mean the top penetrated. So everything is in there solid. I know it's not going anywhere. So next, I'm gonna get this side in. Go pick up my daughter. Try to get some welding done when I get back, cause the pressures will be under 1,000. So try to knock it out and get it done, and then hit up the air gas this week. So go ahead and start getting ready to go. So I welded. You can't ever be too sure, you know. You gotta extra a little bit of insurance, you know. So did the welds there. And then there on both sides. Doggone. Focus, there we go. On both sides. So where you at? Yep. focus. So goes in and weld it proper to the frame. So yeah, feeling it. It's all the way around. Well, it's not all the way around, but it's on the sides. So that way, I know the inner sides, on top and side, is penetrated. So just a little bit extra bit of bead. So you can actually get it all the way around and go all the way around it, but that's all I can do for now. So, and I'm running out of gas, so motor over there. I get the field, so yeah. And I gotta get the metal too. So there's that. So we'll stand by for now. All right, so we're back again. So we got argon, brand new tank. Put on 2,000 PSI. Let me go and turn this off. It is off. Holding pressure real good. So sitting there with it. So we got the metal in between. So found out these are actually 2.5. I have to buy my 2 inches today. So 2.5 or 1/4 inch. So like I said, I braced these up. So now they're braced all the way through. Between. So like I said, it's about 2.5. The other little piece that I had. So this right here is definitely bigger than this right here. So I mean, I'm still gonna make that work, but you see? So this is like 2.5 or something like that. So I learned that today when I got that. So either way, we still gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work out. So that's that right there. Draw that straight down. Nope. So yeah, it's about 2.5. It's not that far off, but it is. It's not big as I thought it was gonna be, but that's still heavy. That's still heavy. So we got 10 feet of that. So that's gonna be the outside perimeter. So like I said, right now we got the inside, welded everything up, braced up. So I don't have to worry about shifting forward or back. Whenever I go to 3 weld or whatever I gotta do, it's locked in. It's locked in. So solid on both sides. This is actually my favorite part. Man, building low riders, this is my favorite part. It's the welding, fabricating, and doing different things like that. Like, it lets your mind take off, it makes you think more. You gotta do a lot of math. I hate math, but hey, this part of it I actually like because I gotta size everything up, get everything to spec, make sure I got everything. It's like a work of art back here, you know? So that's where we're at right now. Weld it to the frame, 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 brace together, brace together. To be honest, it's not bad. Solid, solid. So that's all reinforced. The next one I'm gonna build is gonna go straight across for the pumps. So that's gonna be in there next. I got the metal under the car for it. It's actually gonna be a smaller tubing. Like I said, when I build the I gotta cut everything up. I actually need another cutting disc for the chop saw. But I'm gonna cut everything up, measure everything up, cut it to spec, so that when I lay it in there, it lays in. I make sure I get the measurement straight, and then I'll pretty much start tying everything together. So it'll be hanging off to the side. So it's pretty much gonna come here. I'm gonna have it kind of fancy. I'm gonna have it come here, follow that, same thing. Batter sit up top on the angle iron. It's my favorite part. I'm telling y'all, this is my favorite, my favorite part right here. So that's where we are right now. So hold that thought until I get this cutting disc. So back again. Got the cutting disc from Tim. So here we go. Right now I'm making the brace that the pumps are going to sit on. So I got to measure it out. I'm back spacing for the pump. Had to pretty much pull it out. measure everything out from the back of it to the center. So I give my back spacing for it. So got that. So it's about, maybe be at 8 inches. So I'm gonna put the angle iron in. So it's like 7 1/4 right now. So when I do the angle iron, I'm doing the angle iron on this side so to push it over. Right now, I got the jack in leveled. So you see that bubble? I'm gonna try to get it in on you. You see the bubble is in between that line right there? So you wanna make sure it's leveled out. So you ain't teeters higher than one side, you know. Get it in, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld this in real quick, and then continue on. So let's get in one more. So we back again. Right now, that one's welded up and everything. Center's there. So right now I'm trying to figure out my angles and everything. I'm trying to figure out if I want it straight, or if I want it angled, X, Y, Z. Kind of doing it by myself, so I'm trying to figure out everything as I go. But that's not mounted yet. That one is. That one's not. So then, like I said, the tanks are just temporary until I'm able to try to buy some more or decide if I want to powder coat them or not. So let me know. Should I powder coat these, or should I get some more chrome ones? So right now, trying to figure out how I'm gonna get that to stand and everything. I got these little tabs right here. I'm gonna make reinforce to be able to hold up on the angle line. They're strong enough so they'll be able to hold up on these. So weld it to the sides and everything and lock it in. It shouldn't bend or anything. If I did it this way, it'd bend, but if I do it this way, put 4 rounds, so side, bottom, reinforce, so it'll hold everything up. And I'll probably do 1 across the top or 2 across the top, so that way it's locked in fully. I know it won't go anywhere. So right now I'm just trying to get my angles and everything, so yep. Update on what's going on. I got the bolts in last night. Realized the ones I did have were too small, so I ended up getting those are the small ones. So I ended up getting some bigger ones. So I drilled holes out a little bit bigger. So there it's locked in. So get this other side in. Do it. So I need to figure out how I'm about to set this up by myself. A one-man band over here, you know. So give me a moment. All right, so we back again. So once again, I had to make the little brackets for my my mounts for the pumps. Well, I sat and thought about it, it's kind of be kind of flimsy, this and that. So get my little reinforcements up in there, brace it across so it don't shift side by side. So I ran out of little bars, all right. So of course they look a little off. So I had to do what I had to do. Anybody know what that looks like in the aviation world? Keep in mind, what did the hydraulics of a low rider come from? Aircraft, right? So, oh, something I had to think about off the whim. I was all right. So if the wing can hold these type of pressures and different things like that, longerons, I'm gonna try something. So that's what I did. So hopefully this holds up. Try to weld it in, see if it braces up or not. So here we go. Some of y'all probably wonder, why didn't you just go get a piece of sheet metal or something? Look, dog, I don't feel like going anywhere today. So that's why I didn't feel like going anywhere getting no doggone sheet metal. So shut up. So anyway, continue on what we're doing. Make sure I in everything that I need. Make sure it's up high enough that way the motor ain't touching the back. X, Y, and Z, and get this thing up in here. So here we go. Okay, now we got both sides welded in. This one's on. Not going anywhere. Thing is solid, boy. So got that side in, letting this side cool down before I put this other one on. So yeah. Man, my back hurt, boy. My back is killing me right now. Trying this last side, I almost gave up halfway through. Man, doggone, but they in. So, got my goal done for this weekend to get these pumps in. So, yeah, that's it for now. That's where we are. We at the standstill now. Wait for a few things and continue on making the trays for the batteries. I want to make sure that my fitment is right when I do these trays. I don't want them off. I don't want them too big, too little. I want them right there on it. So then that when I stick everything together, it falls right into play. But doggone, give y'all that final look. All right, so there they are, all in. So that's all she wrote. That's it. Finally done with that. I'm gonna take some rest for a few days. Come right out, my back is killing me. So till next time, keep macking. Peace.